Hi everyone, it's John here from T4 Family. Apologies for the lack of updates in the last few months. Shortly after our last video was released, the company I was working for went under and I lost my job. So the junior conversion was on hold for a few months. We did finally get started back in December of 2019 and we made rapid progress to get to the point where we're about 90% done now. It's now April 2020. We're currently in a situation where the conversion's on hold again due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. We're based in the UK. Quite a lot of businesses have shut down at the moment. We're still waiting on a few things. We need to get the gas plumbed in. We need to finish wiring up the water and the tap. And we're waiting on kickboards for under the bed. But for the most part, we are nearly there. So today I've taken a few videos. I'd like to show you where we're up to and hopefully you enjoy it.
So on the outside, a few little changes. The headlights have gone back to standard. We decided that was a better look for what we were looking for. The wheels you see here are Volkswagen Orbit. They came from a 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. Took a while to find, but we got there in the end. As we go inside, you'll see that everything from the driver's seats backwards is all changed. So you can see here majestic wood design units, the rib 112 bed in the rear. The bed was finished in GTE blue tartan and black vinyl outers. The units are gloss white with a Bardolino oak top and a denim blue splashback which matches our exterior colours. The seats in the front were trimmed to match the rib bed in the back. That was done by Smithy's Upholstery. Again, GTE tartan, black vinyl, blue stitching. Also up front, just changed the steering wheel cover. Apart from that though, everything else is pretty much as we had it before. Moving into the kitchen area, you can see we've got the Dometic 9222 hob. We've got the hobs on the left this time rather than the right. Sink on the right hand side. The reason for this is we've got a cutlery drawer above the fridge now, so we need that extra space. On the right hand side we've got a lift up flap, and in there that's where we can keep all the things we need to get to while the bed is down, so we've got the kettle in there. This is the cutlery drawer, slides out. We've got a chopping board, also doubles up as a shelf. You see all our cutlery in there, stops things sliding around. There's smooth runners on this and soft closes, and they lock into position when we're not using them. Underneath it's the same fridge as before. It's the CRX 50 by Dometic. Under the sink area, on the left hand side, we've got some matching pots and pans. I managed to find those at TK Maxx. Ridge Monkey there. Underneath we've got our cleaning bits, coffee gator mug. On the right hand side we've got the water and the gas cabinet. We've got another Ridge Monkey in there. Still a bit of work to do in here, but we're getting there. Towards the rear, got a tambour door here, and then that's where we're going to store all of our clothing. Down the bottom we've got space for food. Moving on to the control panel, very simple 12 volt setup. We've got master on off switch, we've got the interior lights here. So we've got side lights and we've got a separate switch for the pop top light. We've also got this dimmer switch here, which is for the over cabinet lights. So this is for the kitchen area. All the electrical components are stored in the bottom of the wardrobe area. So we've got our 110 amp leisure battery there. We've got a Victron charger, which is hooked up to the mains. Got mains distributor there, and we've got our Photonic Universe charge controller. Up front, when we're ready and we're all set up on camp, just flick this lever here. It's the same swivel base as we had before. Spin everything around. It gives us an extra bit of space. So when we've got the table set up, you've got 2 people sat on the rib, and then you've got another space at the front there. When that's all set up, as you can see, it's quite a bit of room. Now when it comes to the rib bed, very easy to set up. We are really impressed with this. Just pull the latch on the right hand side, flip the seat base forward. That will then latch in the flat down position. There's a bar in the middle, and the back of the seat drops flat. Then there's another latch for the rear section of the bed. You just pull that one, that will go down level as well. You can do this from the front of the vehicle as well. You don't have to go around to the back to do it.
So there you go, that's where we're up to at the moment. I hope that this update has been interesting. If you have any questions at all, do pop them in the comments. You can send us a message on Twitter or on Instagram. Any questions at all about the build, how we did things. I know that a lot of people will be asking about things like electrics and plumbing and gas. Anything you want to know about, just let us know, because I'm going to go through the whole build when we're done and show you exactly how it all works, where everything is, and the things that we came up against while doing our own conversion. But for now, thank you.